Hi, friends, and my pastor colleagues, God servants who are leading the church everywhere. I extend my hearty wishes to all of you on this day when Pastor's Appreciation Day is observed everywhere. You may know that on the second Sunday of month of October every year, this Pastor's Appreciation Day is observed. It started with a family who wanted to appreciate a pastor on a day, and then it was recognized and observed everywhere from the year 1994 onwards. When I came to know about this, I thought this day would never become popular, but slowly it is gaining popularity. Why? Because normally pastors only have to announce a special day if it is coming to the congregation. And how a pastor will announce about himself and asking people to appreciate him, saying, "This is Pastor's Appreciation Day, you appreciate me." No, nobody is going to do that. Particularly when a pastor who's having a congregation where there is a lot of criticism coming from, definitely he would not take any chance to do that, isn't it? In independent circles, it's okay. Sometimes people like a pastor who is having an independent congregation, and only those who like him become the members and they would appreciate him. But what about the mainline churches where pastors come and pastors go and all kinds of people sit there? I have seen in some mainline churches where the pastor is new or pastor comes with a lot of gifts and talents and his personality is appreciated by people who moves around and people like him, they would definitely appreciate him. But what about the other pastors who are not having so good a personality, or they are not so very friendly, or they do not have many gifts like others? You know, people may not find him so favorite, and they would say, okay, he comes, he leads the churches and go, and we pay him salary. So they may not mind anything special for him. Or sometimes they would say, this pastor is not very friendly, he is very strict, he hurts. So we will come, do our duty and go. There is no place for a special day of appreciation. And there are also pastors who misuse their position and authority and privileges, and sometimes they hurt people. Yes, people won't recognize them. On the other side, there are also pastors. Maybe they are young and they are yet to be matured. Sometimes they are misunderstood, ill-treated. These pastors would not expect any appreciation. If they happen to see a pastor's appreciation day written somewhere, they would simply smile it and go away. Well, while I was going through the net, I just happened to see some articles which mentions about the importance of a pastor's appreciation day. They mainly say that the pastoral position is a God-appointed position for the people in his place, where a pastor does the ministry for the people, and that is a position of honor. A honor that is given to God is shared to a pastor or the shepherd. And therefore, there is nothing wrong in having a day of appreciation. And they also say some people who really want to honor their pastor, appreciate them, may like if a special day is announced. Interestingly, they also quoted some Bible verses to find some relevance to appreciating the pastors. Hebrews chapter 13 and verse 17, which says, "Obey those who rule over you and be submissive, for they watch out for your souls as those who must give account. Let them do so with joy and not with grief, for that would be unprofitable for you." So make your pastors who take in charge of your souls experience some happiness and joy. The other verse they wrote is 1 Timothy chapter 5 and verse 17. "Let the elders who rule well be counted worthy of double honor, especially those who labor in the word and doctrine." Maybe because a pastor stands in the place of God and share his holy words, he is worthy of double honor. I also received a forward from people in which they talk about the thankless job of a pastor, as to how his services go unnoticed. His struggles also is hidden. He may be falsely accused. A pastor may face unfair criticism, hated by others out of jealousy, face opposition from people and sometimes from his own family that misunderstands him. He might have fake friends. He might work very hard, which people cannot see behind the screen. People may persecute him. Pastor may go through loneliness and experience a lot of financial problems. Still, he would come back to people on a Sunday and say, "I'm okay." That's interesting. When I was a young member of a church, I used to appreciate my pastors, but never a day, a special day was given to me to appreciate them. But today, as a pastor, I take this opportunity to appreciate all my dear friends and colleagues who are serving the pastors. I would like to tell you the Lord appreciates your commitment and your hard work and all your sacrifices. Continue to be in the ministry so that one day the Lord will be able to say, "Well, my faithful servant, come and inherit the kingdom." And I also would like to appeal to all the members to just say a word of prayer for your pastor. After all, he prays for you by the appointment of the Lord. God bless you.